In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana to automate intake requests 5 minutes. First, head to Asana in your browser and sign in. Enter your work email, click Continue, then type your password and select Log In. Once you're on your Asana homepage, choose the project where you want all incoming requests to land. Picking the right project is important because every submission will automatically create a task there. Inside the project, look to the top right and open Customize. In the Customization panel, find Forms and open it. Click Add to create a new form for this project. This form becomes the front door for requests, so think of it as a simple, consistent way to collect everything your team needs up front. Start by adding questions that capture the essentials. Use clear labels and brief helper text so requesters know exactly what to provide. Short answer is great for titles, while paragraph fields work well for detailed descriptions. If certain details are absolutely necessary, mark those questions as required so nothing critical gets missed. Include a field for the deadline. Ask when the requester needs the work completed, not when they're submitting it. This helps your team prioritize and plan realistically. Next, add an attachments question so people can upload files like briefs, screenshots, or assets. Having files attached from the start saves a lot of back and forth later. If your project already uses custom fields such as priority, request type, or progress, tie those into your form. Map the form questions to those fields so each submission automatically fills them in on the resulting task. This keeps data consistent, powers sorting and filtering, and makes downstream automation more reliable. As you build, keep the form focused and friendly. Too many fields can discourage submissions, but too few will send you chasing details. Aim for the minimum set of questions that lets your team start work confidently. Review the wording for clarity and make sure the order of questions matches the way a requester naturally thinks about their ask. When you're satisfied, click Publish. Asana will generate a shareable link to your form. Copy that link and share it with anyone who will submit requests: internal teammates, stakeholders, or approved partners. The moment someone fills it out, Asana creates a task in your chosen project with all the details, attachments, and custom fields neatly in place. And that's it. You've set up an Asana form to automate intake, reduce chaos, and keep every request flowing into one organized pipeline.